Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use College Scheduler to plan your schedule here at Arkansas Tech. So the first thing you're going to do is log on to OneTech, and then you're going to go to your Student tab. When you click on that, it's going to bring up this page, and you're going to go to College Scheduler, Schedule Planner. On this one, you're going to pick the term, and we're going to go ahead and register for fall classes. Here you get to pick if you want face-to-face at the main campus, online classes, or Ozark. We're going to leave main and online clicked. And here's where you're going to go ahead and start adding the courses that you'd like to take. You can see here that I'm already enrolled in a couple of classes, so those are going to stay there, but we're going to pretend to add a few more classes. So you'll hit Add Classes, and then you're going to go to the subject. We're going to pick a CSP class, and then we're going to tell it to add the course. Once you add it, it should show up here. And then we're going to add just a couple more classes. And again, it should show up right here. And then we're going to just pick one more class and hit Add Course. After we've done that, we're going to hit the back button and start planning the actual schedule. Here you can see that we're going to have our courses here, and here's the courses that I'm already enrolled in. Let's add a break because we want to make sure we take a lunch. So let's add our lunch break on there. Now you could do anything here. You could have it anytime you wanted your lunch, or if this was a specific time that you needed to be done so that your classes are over and you could go to work, this would be where you would add that. And you can add multiple breaks, but we're just going to add a lunch break every day from 12 to 1. Okay, now you can see we've got that added. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go on down here and pick that we need to generate our schedule. Now it has chosen some schedules for us that work with this criteria that we've put in. And here you can see you can either click on it like this and see that it's going to give you a little glimpse of what the schedule would look like, or you can hit the view and it'll show you the whole schedule. So once we pick the schedule that we want, we can just click on that, and we can go back up here and we can pick options. And this one doesn't have any options, so we are pretty much going to have to do whatever that class is. But here we have some options, and say we want Thomas Pennington to be our teacher. So we can unclick everyone else and just pick Save and Close. Now we can generate our schedules again, and it says that there are none because it's not going to work in our schedule to have him as our professor, so we would have to adjust accordingly. So we could go ahead and add a couple back in there. Hit Generate Schedules, and it shows us that there's 22. You can continue to do the options until you get it down to lesser schedules, or find a schedule that you like. Then you will just click the schedule that you want and you'll add it to cart. And here's the schedule that we have chosen. And if you want to and you like the class specifically, you can just tell it to lock, and then that won't change at all. Then when you get ready to do it and you pick the one you like, you click Send to Schedule, and it'll say OK, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Then you can see that the schedule shows up, and when it's time to register, you pick the Register button and you're automatically enrolled. That's all there is to it.